हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एपिसोड 7।
Hello, seven.
हाउ आर यू
So
डूइंग
we're
Azam?
so brave.
We are so brave.
Look at us persisting.
We persevere.
So how was your week?
So good. Amazing.
Let's
Um,
go through our search histories for the first segment.
Alhamdulillah for everything. Acha, I looked through my search history before this because I knew that this is going to be censored as hell. So the only relevant searches are Exit 8 related, so I can talk about that.
What? Oh, the movie. This
Yes.
psychological. Okay, go off.
Okay. So, yesterday didn't get a lot of sleep, and then in the morning, went to solo watch a Japanese psychological horror film called Exit 8. It's based on a video game, and it's actually based in the subway in Japan, so public transport mentioned, and it's about being stuck in a loop and recognizing patterns. So that resonated, and
Oh,
it's yeah,
that's so fun.
I know,
I will
and
not be
it's
watching that.
the film was good. I think. There is this pro-life fatherhood sort of subplot going on there, I think, which I didn't care for. But I've never played the game. I've seen like Markiplier and stuff play it in YouTube videos.
You look
And
it.
And the production design seemed pretty spot on, so there was that. And I think the actors didn't do a bad job. So good film. It wasn't very like psychological horror. Like it wasn't like unnerving. अगर आप अपना थोड़ा कंपार्टमेंटलाइज कर लें और अपने अपने आप जिन सर्कल्स में लूप में स्टक हैं उसको भूल जाएं थोड़ी देर के लिए, तो आपको इतना नहीं हिट करेगा. आई विल नॉट बी या but basically if it took them an hour and a half to talk about being stuck recognizing patterns on the subway, but it took Chapel Roan under 3 minutes. So girl,
Bro, right? Oh my God, we should talk about Chapel Roan Subway. That's so bitch and podcast coded.
that is where she wrote that about us.
She did. How did she know we love the subway? मेरी बारी. यार,
Oh,
what time period was it set in? Like, they filmed at a subway? अभी का? बड़ी
yeah, the
पुरानी है.
whole it's a BKF film, and the whole thing is just like filmed in a subway. And I think, I mean, temporarily, I don't know what the loop entails because you're basically stuck in the same loop, and I don't know if before you enter the loop and between before you enter and after you escape, I don't know if time in the real world has passed or not. Like temporarily, it does like it's a little bit unclear, but it's set in modern day.
I like that. I don't like it जब movies date करती हैं अपने आप को. I don't like what references or just when you see what iPhone they have and you're like, yes, Sala Yogi. I don't like that.
Yeah, no, I think
Speak of
he definitely has like an iPhone 15 or something because he's holding his phone all the time.
no, really?
Yeah.
You didn't need to be doing all that, I guess. I don't know. पता नहीं. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता because अभी भी वो जो the क्या है Wuthering Heights remake है, the one that everyone's talking about with the
The
Charlie
one
XCX
with
and Margot Robbie thing.
Charlie XCX is in the movie or on the score?
I don't know, but she's been mentioned
Who
enough
is
times कि
it?
अब हम
Jacob
skip भी कर.
Elordi?
Yeah, like the whole you have a face that looks like it's seen an iPhone. Like I'm not buying
Yeah.
it. Dakota Johnson, I'm not buying you in a period piece. You have straight bangs.
No, you're so onto something with that.
We're lucky कि मैंने bangs नहीं काटे और मैंने सिर्फ ये किया. That could have happened.
हमें तुम्हारे बैंक्स काटने चाहिए थे जब हम साथ थे।
हाँ मैं कर लेती।
आई वुड
अभी
हैव
आई थिंक द
कट
ओनली
योर्स।
थिंग दैट बॉदर्स मी इज कि जब लाइक आगे आते हैं
बट मुझे
तो फिर मुझे
तुम्हारा
चल।
ये वाइब्स बहुत अच्छा लगता है, द टक्ड बिहाइंड द ईयर्स और बीच की मांग वाइब्स। इट्स सो
द
स्ले,
पार्ट
like
वन।
it's so avant-garde, it's so like Anya Taylor-Joy.
Oh my God. She's not a Zionist, is she?
I don't know enough.
I'm so scared. अच्छा, सो माय सर्च हिस्ट्री बहुत ज़्यादा है इस दफ़ा बिकॉज मेरी स्टोरेज कम थी तो आई हैड टू डिलीट यूट्यूब। तो माय यूट्यूब सर्च हिस्ट्री इज ऑल्सो ऑन माय ब्राउजर।
uh
Yeah, one of the things is weathering, salt crystal weathering, because एक वो you I don't know if you've seen but मुझे एक notification आई थी कि climate change affecting Iraq की historical sites. So I was like,
mm,
oh, like places that haven't been excavated yet. So I was like, oh, that's cool. मेरे ज़हन में था like drought या like तूफानी बारिश या कुछ something external हुआ होगा तो फिर like खराब हो गए होंगे or whatever. Turns out it's के salt crystal weathering. So like
hmm.
salinity ज़्यादा है and because arid environment है तो नमक पानी like it's evaporating, salt crystals are forming and they're in the
Ah,
pores of the bricks themselves. So the salt crystal formation,
oh,
it's exerting a pressure and then they're cracking from the inside. So it's
ah.
destroying them, which
So
is
what?
crazy to me.
Wait, I have a stupid question. What's increasing the salinity?
मैंने भी I was looking this up as well and I was like how does climate change increase salinity? I मेरी geography बहुत बुरी है, I don't know कहाँ वो करता है मगर there's like वो क्या salt sea water intrusion भी होती है and then there's also like अगर आपका ground water table बहुत कम हो तो फिर and like I don't want to butcher this but wait if you don't have इतने frequent rains वगैरह तो like पानी कम होगा it's gonna be saltier वैसे ही but then there
Saturated.
was also the thing about के how या बल्कि नहीं आई थिंक एस्टेरिस्क डाल के मैं बाद में करूंगी because again there's more than one reason and it depends on uski geography and I don't know where these historical sites are but also apparently there's like 15,000 or something like thousands mein number of unexcavated sites which
In
I didn't know
Iraq
that.
or in the
Yeah,
world?
I didn't know that. I didn't know कि unexcavated sites like इतनी ज़्यादा है, you know?
So
Like,
15,000 are they in Iraq alone?
yeah, I'll look it up. But उन्होंने इसी तरह कहा था कि but just the prospect of इतने because in 2025 I'm थोड़ा सा कि
हाँ,
oh all
just
the
excavate that.
historical. Yeah, like what's stopping you? Budgetary constraints? Are you poor? ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम को बेच दो साइट एक्सकवेट तो कर लेंगे. We don't support that, no. So एक वो था.
Mhm.
फिर there's a lot of Instagram because I've been वो भी मैं ब्राउजर से ही कर रही हूँ. Stages of grief. So I could be
Interesting.
sure. Yeah. And also like or do they happen in order or like can you just like bypass some?
Yeah. Yeah, and
So
I think you told me that they don't happen in order. And that was the first time I
they don't
learned
have
about
to.
that.
Like a lot of them because I find myself oscillating. So I don't know. फिर एक और है US presidents because I think I was doing the connections one day. Yeah, the nay, or maybe it was the crossword. And every single time, if you're doing the New York Times crossword, I understand it's the New York Times. Of course, American references honge. But why do I need to know the name of the president after this one? So फिर I see it as a free for all because I'm like, to hell with your history and politics. तो इसलिए I'm like, you know what, this isn't cheating. There's no way I should be expected to know. आप बताओ, like बेनजीर के
Iskandar
बाद कौन
Mirza.
आया था? Anyways. Oh, Lily Allen, David Harbour.
Of course. Oh my God. Iza and I watched the Architectural Digest video on like WhatsApp पे screen share करके और हम we just like made faces at it because मेरा गला खराब था and I had lost my voice and Iza was speechless.
I
And
was like this watching it. I hated it.
something happening in the cosmos in terms of like men.
Yeah. Because what was that? And also the fact कितनी पुरानी है, no one मे बी उस वक्त शायद किसी ने देखा होगा, but that was not like a normal vibe. Like the vibes were off. I felt bad for the that's our timer. I felt bad for whoever was there with the camera from Architectural Digest because I would have hated to be them. Can
Yeah,
you
I know. I would
imagine?
have gotten really awkward. So are we're at 10 minutes already.
Yeah, and oh, okay. So this is just gonna be like a recap, like what our browser history was, what our weeks were.
Yeah,
Caged Bird,
honestly.
Maya Angelou. So that's there, and then like Trevor Noah ki maa ka quote from his biography, Life of Crime, because I was talking to you about it, and I
Yeah,
used both of them in a sentence, and I was like, I will share this to you. So yeah,
that's pretty slay. I think life is beautiful and everything will be
I think
okay.
it is. I'm
I
glad
think,
we're doing like an update episode. I didn't have the energy for a full episode, so
yeah, me neither. I don't have the
this is
brain
what you guys
space
are getting.
or हाँ you
You
guys
take what
ऐसे
you
कह
can
रही हो
get.
जैसे हमारे like 10
Beggars
20
aren't choosers.
no one is begging.
They're begging us to stop.
Yeah, they're like shut up. गले खराब में भी मैंने आके बकवास की है.
Everyone's praying on our downfall ताकि हम
तो
upload
थोड़ी
करना बंद कर दें. But we're
थोड़ी बहुत
persevering so
थोड़ी
hard.
बहुत उनकी प्रेयर्स here भी हो रही हैं लेकिन here we are, both of us in
We're
the
gonna have
absolute
to pray harder.
trenches, still
Please
showing
don't.
up.
Matching watches.
Oh yeah,
I got this because
दिखाओ.
of Sarah.
uh,
She influenced me. Crop this out. I don't want people to know.
क्या?
Yeah. Okay, you influenced me.
Okay, I was gonna make this the thumbnail, us with the watches.
Okay, huh, okay. When Casio sponsors us, then what?
That's so friendship
Okay?
bracelet of us. Okay,
Oh my God, yeah.
bye.
Chalo. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.